Hi, good morning. So, I just parked here sa clubhouse. I'm going to play tennis today with some tennis mates. It's really a sunny day. Sobrang init. So, sarap magpapawis ngayong araw na to and play tennis. It's been a while since the last time I played tennis dahil sa sobrang busy na schedule ko. But, syempre, if you have free time, you really have to squeeze in your activities. So now there's my racket. I didn't wear t-shirt na, pero may t-shirt ako sa loob. I just wanna wear sando kasi sobrang init talaga. Then it's an enclosed tennis court. So pag mainit, pag tanghaling tapat, sobrang init talaga dun sa loob, para ka nasa pugon. Kahit na, alam mo yun, kahit na open naman yung paligid niya, yung sides niya, pero ang init talaga. Kaya ako, minsan mas preferred ko maglaro sa open court na lang. Mainit, pero at least sobrang hangin naman. Tsaka, syempre, pampadagdag itim yun. Mas gusto ko yun. But anyway, come and join us today on our tennis game. Then, later kakain tayo. Okay? So, let's go! Let's go to the court.
May
Hello.
pa siya doon, natatawa siya. Hi, vlog! Uy, dream ko yan.
Backdoor vlog.
Nag-outside ko lang.
Kilala mo na sila. Si Sir.
Let's play tennis. Just finished a game, waiting for my next game. So, it was a good game together with the whole gang. 2 hours lang kami doon sa court kanina. So now, we're moving to another court kasi lahat bitin pa maglaro. Then after that, maybe we'll just grab lunch in between bago kami pumunta doon sa court ng isang kasama din namin sa village nila. So tuloy-tuloy na natin to. I think we're playing in 3 courts today. So let's go. Hi guys, so we just finished our first 2 games. So ngayon punta kami ng Parkal para kumain. So come with us, kain tayo sa JT Sinasal. This is one of my favorite songs ever. Everglow. So there, I'm in the car now, driving to Parkal. We'll just chill there kasi 7:30 pa yung game mamaya. So chill lang muna tayo, kain tayo, chill in the coffee shop. Yan lang. Yes! yan tayo eh. After tennis, nagiinuman eh. Yeah. No, I have garlic rice na. Pecho.
Are you garlic? Plain person. Are you basic?
Rin yung FA.
Yung Flight Sexy sa Coconut Club yung lagi dun sa
Hindi, yun, bago na yun.
bago na yun.
Say hi guys! Court 2, Court 3 pala. Pangatlong court na for today. So guys, dito tayo sa Court 3. We'll just play again before grabbing dinner later. So game muna, tara.